Okay, so here we are back in this kitchen where we have been working all day today, accessorizing, and we've had install a couple of days ago. So the sideboard was not in this space before, so this is here now, and we've got it all styled up. And our client who is doing this for her daughter loves the fall. So we've just got a little touch of fall going on. And all the storage that this extra space gave her, today was the first time for this couple to unpack dishes that were wedding presents, and they've been married for 13 years. So that really gave me a lot of joy, and they'll use those for sure. So the table and chairs were existing, and we took them home and painted them with the fusion colors. And then this piece of artwork is really, really special. My friend, and this is my client, and she made this for her daughter. So this is Marilyn's beautiful art, and the first time that she's ever signed an art piece. So she's put Mom 2022 on there, which is really lovely. And a daisy is her daughter's favorite flower, so that's a really special touch. So we've styled the table. We've got some pretty little napkins here. We repurposed the apple and the pear with some paint. And this little vase I picked up at a thrift store and just added the rope and put the faux flowers in. And we found these pretty napkins. So these ones say eat, and these ones say family. And this is an amazing family that I've had the pleasure to get to know and spend time with. So today the wine rack went in underneath the cabinet and the new wine glasses. The countertops are all finished now. Marilyn and I worked at these and figured out our technique for making these look like stone. So we've just got some accessories going on, and just made everything pretty and a little more organized. And so I'm going to show, look at this. Marilyn does these things with her Cricut machine, so we did that. And we've organized today, so this is tidy. We've cleaned out up here over top, and putting things in bins like this just makes it so much easier to grab, especially out of these awkward spaces. Oh, bang. So this is the coffee center, which makes sense with the coffee maker underneath. And Mike and I worked really hard. That's his wife that he's worked so hard for. This poor man, we've been bossing him around, all these women, since his wife is gone. But we moved shelves and just put more like things together. And so we've done this in here today. And this bottom shelf is going to be designated for the girls' school snack foods in the next little while. And so under here, we just purged. There was some cereals that really weren't being eaten, and we've got a nice big bin with all the Tupperware kind of things, so that's easy to access. And the most common used items we just moved down so that they're easier to reach. And this cupboard we did quite a bit with. So we moved the shelving to the right height and added all of these extra storage areas. And so these are all things that are used every day, and these were up high in another cupboard, so it's just so much more accessible and easier to get without reaching too far overhead. And then in here we did similar, and just some new glasses and mugs were added. And then these are the things that they use a lot of. So we're really, really pleased with how this space turned out. And when Kerri comes home, she's going to be really surprised, and I hope she likes the space as much as we do. And everybody in this family pulled together and worked so hard. So it really did turn out well, and we're quite happy.